Well, exit polls for both Maharashtra and Jharkhand look to be favouring the NDA. However, the contest can be close in both states. Alright, so now let's take a look at the figures straight away. So as per the PMark, if we talk about Maharashtra, so PMark has predicted 137 to 150 seats for the NDA in Maharashtra and 126 to 146 seats for India Alliance and others 2 by 8. So as Maharashtra witnessed the second phase of voting today, so the main contest between the Mahayuti and the Mahavikas Aghadi, and as per the exit poll results, so as per Metris, so Metris has predicted 150 to 170 seats for NDA, 110 to 130 seats for India Alliance and 8 to 10 seats for others. And now looking about the Jharkhand election, so as you can see on your screens, viewers, in Jharkhand, Metris has predicted 42 to 47 seats for NDA, 25 to 30 seats for India Alliance and 1 to 4 seats for others. So this is what Metris has predicted for Jharkhand. So the picture will be cleared on the 23rd of November as on the result day. But these are the predictions coming in from the exit poll. So as per Metris, so Metris has predicted 42 to 47 seats for NDA, 25 to 30 seats in Indy, 1 to 4 seats others. All right, so if we talk about Maharashtra, so Metris has predicted 150 to 170 seats for NDA and 110 to 130 for India Alliance and 8 to 10 seats others in Maharashtra. So a total of 1.23 crore voters, so they exercised their franchise today. And as per Chanakya, so exit poll predictions has come in from Chanakya. So as per Chanakya strategy, so Chanakya has predicted 152 to 160 seats for NDA in Maharashtra, 130 to 138 for India Alliance, 6 to 8 seats for others in Maharashtra. Now talking about Jharkhand, well, as per People's Pulse, so as per People's Pulse has predicted 44 to 53 seats for NDA and 25 to 27 seats for India Alliance and 5 to 9 seats for others in Jharkhand. So a total of 288 seats in Maharashtra. And the main contest between the 6 leaders divided in 2 groups. So the Mahayuti and the Mahavikas Aghadi. So the Mahayuti comprising the Shiv Sena Eknath Shinde faction. They were in the BJP and Ajit Pawar NCP. Now talking about the Mahavikas Aghadi. So Congress, UBT and NCP SP Sharad Pawar. So these are the exit polls predictions coming in for both the seats, the Jharkhand and the Maharashtra. So we are showing you the exit polls. So as per People's Pulse, let me read out the numbers here once again for the viewers. So as per People's Pulse, so People's Pulse has predicted 44 to 53 seats for NDA, which is a very good number, and 25 to 27 seats for India Alliance and 5 to 9 seats for others in Maharashtra. And also let me tell our viewers here that BJP is quite confident of putting up a good show in Maharashtra. So, and the exit polls also predicting good numbers for NDA here. So as per Chanakya in Maharashtra, 152 to 160 seats for NDA, 130 to 138 seats for India Alliance and 6 to 8 seats for others in Maharashtra. So BJP seems to be quite confident, and earlier in the day we have also listened to the BJP candidates while casting their votes. Also they said this time they have worked, they connected with the ground level workers and they are quite confident of putting up a good show in Maharashtra this time, and the numbers are saying so, but the actual picture will be cleared on the 23rd of November, that is the result day. Now talking about Jharkhand, so in Jharkhand it is to be seen now how the BJP puts up a good show, as we have seen star campaigners. Himanta Biswa Sharma, he was the co-in charge of the Jharkhand Assembly, and as per the exit poll results now, so as per Chanakya Strategies, if we go read the Chanakya Strategies numbers, then 45 to 50 seats predicted for the NDA, 35 to 38 seats for India Alliance, and 3 to 5 seats for others in Jharkhand. All right, so times now. JVC predicted 40 to 44 seats for NDA, 30 to 40 seats for India Alliance, and 1 to 2 seats for others. So altogether, fate of 528 candidates, including Chief Minister and JMM leader Hemant Soren, his wife Kalpana Soren, and leader of opposition Amar Kumar Bauri of the BJP have been sealed in the election. Now it is to be seen now, but as per the exit poll results, so NDA will put up a good show in this election. Well, the actual picture will be cleared on the 23rd of November, but as per the numbers that you can see on your screens, viewers, so on the left side of your screens, these are the numbers which times now JVC has predicted for Jharkhand. So 40 to 44 seats for NDA, 30 to 40 seats for India Alliance, so 1 to 2 seats for others. And on the right side of your screens, these are numbers predicted by the PMark. So PMark has predicted 137 to 157 seats for NDA, and 126 to 140 seats for India Alliance, and 2 to 8 seats for others in Maharashtra. So this time, if we talk about Maharashtra, well, the Mahayuti, they are comprising the BJP, Shinde Sena, and the Ajit Pawar's faction, is banking on its popular schemes like Maji Ladki Bahin for women to retain power. And as per the numbers that we can see right now, these popular schemes might work for the NDA this time. Well, the exit polls predictions, as per the exit poll predictions, if we talk about Metris first, then as you can see, 150 to 170 seats predicted by Metris in Maharashtra, 110 to 130 seats for India Alliance, and others 12 to 29 seats. All right, new predictions coming from a poll diary. So a poll diary has predicted 122 to 186 seats for NDA, 69 to 121 for India Alliance, 12 to 29 seats for others. So NDA is putting up a good show as per all the predictions, but the actual picture will be clear on the 23rd of November on the result day. But these are the predictions that coming in from the exit polls. As you can see on your screens, as per People's Pulse, if we talk about Jharkhand election, 44 to 43 seats predicted, 25 for NDA, 25 to 27 seats for India Alliance, and 5 to 9 for others. So the ruling JMM-led India Alliance is seeking to retain power, riding on its welfare schemes, while the BJP-headed NDA Alliance is trying to wrest it. The NDA, as per the exit poll numbers, the NDA is doing good. If we see the numbers on the screens, viewers, PMark has predicted 31 seats to 40 seats in Jharkhand, and India Alliance 37 to 47 seats, and others 1 to 6 seats. So if you talk about Maharashtra, as you can see on your screens, PMark predicted 137 to 150 seats for NDA, 126 to 146 for India Alliance, and 2 to 8 for others. And if we look back at the assembly election results in Maharashtra, then in 2019, assembly polls concluded with a hung house, as we remembered, and this time the NDA is also doing good, as the numbers are saying. People's rule, as per, I beg your pardon, as per People's Pulse. So People's Pulse is predicting 175 to 195 seats in NDA, 85 to 112 for India Alliance, as 7 to 12 seats for others. And while campaigning, so BJP was quite confident of putting up a good show in Maharashtra this election. And their hard work is showing results as per the exit poll numbers. Well, the actual picture, as I already mentioned, the actual picture will be cleared on the 23rd of November. But these are the exit poll predictions that we are showing our viewers right now. So, if you talk about Jharkhand and Times Now, JVC has predicted 40 to 44 seats in Jharkhand, 30 to 40 seats for India Alliance, and 1 to 2 seats for others in Jharkhand. So, altogether, fate of 528 candidates, including the Chief Minister of Jharkhand and JMM leader Hemant Soren, his wife Kalpana Soren, and leader of opposition Amar Kumar Bauri of the BJP have been sealed. And the actual picture will be cleared on the 23rd of November, but these are the predictions by the exit polls. And if we talk about Maharashtra, then this election sees a significant increase in the number of candidates compared to the 2019 State Assembly elections, with a total of 4,136 candidates vying for 288 seats. So, definitely an increase of 28% from the previous election, that is in 2019. So among them, 2,086 are independents, and numerous rebel candidates are contesting against the party's official nominees. And also not to forget, the smaller parties like Bahujan Samaj Party and AIMIM are also in the fray, with BSP fielding 237 candidates and AIMIM contesting in 17 constituencies. So as per the exit poll predictions, the NDA is leading in the table, as you can see on your screens. So alright, so as per Access My India in Jharkhand, Access My India has predicted 25 seats, 53 seats. So that's interesting numbers coming in, viewers. So as per the Access My India predictions, so they are predicting 53 seats for India Alliance, 25 seats for NDA, and 3 others. So it is to be seen now, will Hemant Soren be in power again? So these are the numbers coming in from Access My India. So Access My India has predicted 53 seats for India Alliance, 25 seats for NDA, and 3 for others. So a total of 1.23 crore voters decided the fate of 528 candidates in Jharkhand, and now numbers are coming in, predictions, the result predictions coming in, and as per People's Rule prediction, 44 to 53 seats for NDA, 25 to 27 seats for India Alliance, and 5 to 9 seats for others. So as per the Access My India prediction, so Access My India is predicting that 25 seats for NDA and 53 seats for India Alliance and 3 for others. So as NDA is attempting to dislodge the JMM Congress alliance from power, but as per the Access My India numbers, the picture is different here. So they are predicting, Access My India is predicting 53 seats for India Alliance, 25 seats for NDA, and 3 for others. The exit polls for both Maharashtra and Jharkhand look to be favouring the NDA. However, the contest can be close in both states. So we are showing you numbers from different exit poll predictions. So as per the PMark has predicted 31 to 40 seats for NDA, 37 to 47 seats for India Alliance and 1 to 6 seats for others. And talking about Maharashtra, so PMark has predicted for Maharashtra 137 seats to 137 to 150 seats for NDA, 126 to 146 seats for India Alliance and 2 to 8 seats for others. So if we remember during the election time, well, in Maharashtra, the election campaign has seen some high-profile figures like in both from the BJP and the Congress, and it seems that those campaigning by the various political party is showing results. If we talk about the BJP in particular, several high-profile politicians, they campaigned before the elections, and now the numbers are showing that the NDA is all set to put up the government once again, and the numbers in Maharashtra, and the numbers are saying so, but the actual picture will be cleared on the 23rd of November, as I've mentioned again and again. But as per the metrics, 150 to 170 seats are predicted for NDA, 110 to 130 seats for India Alliance, 8 to 10 seats for others. So the Maharashtra is witnessing a showdown between two major political alliances, the ruling Mahayuti and the Mahavikas Aghadi. So the ruling Mahayuti, comprising of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena faction and Nationalist Congress Party. And meanwhile, the opposition Mahavikas Aghadi includes the Congress, Shiv Sena, UBT and NCP Sharad Pawar faction. And if we talk about Jharkhand now, so the Chanakya Strategies has predicted 45 to 50 seats for NDA in Jharkhand, 35 to 38 seats for India Alliance and 3 to 5 seats for others in Jharkhand. So it is to be seen now. In Jharkhand, will Hemant Soren be able to form his government once again in Jharkhand? And not to forget, this time BJP has sent several high-profile campaigners in Jharkhand. We have seen Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma. He was there in Jharkhand. He was the co-in-charge for the Jharkhand election. He campaigned throughout the state and was quite confident of putting up a good show in Jharkhand. So the numbers, as per the numbers that we can see on your screens, viewers. So as per the People's Pulse, so People's Pulse has predicted 44 to 53 seats in Jharkhand, 25 to 27 seats for India Alliance, 5 to 9 seats for others in Jharkhand. So the actual picture will be cleared on the 23rd of November. These are the predictions coming in. And we will also soon show you the poll of polls prediction. But as per the People's Pulse, if we talk about Maharashtra election, with 175 to 195 seats predicted for NDA in Maharashtra, 85 to 112 seats predicted for India Alliance in Maharashtra, and 7 to 12 seats for others. So mainly the fight between among six leaders in two groups, the Mahayuti and the Mahavikas Aghadi. So as per the Jharkhand election, so here Exit My India shows a different result. So as per the Exit My India prediction, there in Jharkhand, they have predicted, Exit My India predicted 53 seats for India Alliance in Jharkhand and 25 seats for NDA. So the numbers are a little different here. So the actual picture will be cleared on the result day. But as per the predictions by Exit My India, 53 seats predicting for India Alliance and 25 seats for NDA and 3 seats for others. So the ruling JMM-led India Alliance, they are seeking to retain power, riding on its various welfare schemes. They have promised during the campaigning. And on the other hand, not to forget the BJP-headed National Democratic Alliance, the NDA, is trying to wrest it. They also introduce many schemes for the people of Jharkhand this election, and many star campaigners, they campaign throughout the state. So BJP star campaigners, they campaign throughout the state before the election, and the results will be clear. The final result will be clear on the 23rd of November. So these are the predictions coming in for both the states, the Maharashtra and Jharkhand poll. So both the state went through the second phase of election today. And we are showing you the exit poll numbers as you can see on your screens. If you talk about PMark, both for Jharkhand and PMark, in both the states, they are showing for NDA 137 to, if we talk about Maharashtra, then 137 to 157 seats for NDA, 126 to 146 for India Alliance, 2 to 8 seats for others in Maharashtra. And PMark has predicted 31 to 40 seats for NDA, 37 to 47 seats for Jharkhand, and 1 to 6 seats for others. So as per the PMark prediction, India Alliance is somewhat going to put up a good show in Jharkhand. So 35 to 38 seats predicted by the Chanakya Strategies for the India Alliance, but they have also predicted 45 to 50 seats for the NDA in Jharkhand. So interesting numbers coming in from various poll predictions, as you can see on your screens, viewers. So Chanakya Strategies has predicted 45 to 50 seats for NDA in Jharkhand, 35 to 38 seats for India Alliance, 3 to 5 seats for others in Jharkhand this election. And on the right side of your screens, you can see numbers coming in for Maharashtra. So Chanakya Strategies there, predicting 152 seats to 160 seats for NDA, 130 to 138 seats for India Alliance, and 6 to 8 seats for others. And very soon we will also show you the poll of polls prediction. But as you can see on your screens, viewers, interesting numbers coming in at this point in time. All right, viewers, so we have poll of polls coming in at this point in time. So as you can see on your screen, so poll of polls have come from Maharashtra. So as per the poll of polls has predicted 154 seats for NDA, 128 seats for India Alliance, and 7 for others. So as per the poll of polls, if we talk about Maharashtra, then poll of polls has predicted 154 seats in from NDA in Maharashtra, 128 seats for India Alliance, and 7 seats for others. So as per the poll of polls in Maharashtra, the NDA is once again all set to, the Mahayuti is all set to retain the government. So the poll of polls has predicted 154 seats and 128 seats for India Alliance and 7 for others.